Captain Bert's gamer office? No, more like Captain Critch work office, or 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 job office. Oh my god, this user sucks. This user makes bowling bit out of my friend Pluto Galaxy, and the fact this user is always obsessed with stomach rolls. Like, bro, do you have any power? It's really freaking disgusting. And the fact he says, I'm not a fetish Jesus, and please don't report me. Like, bro, you're a real fetish. Just look at this. Look. Ew. Ew. And the fact angry words like, bro, leave my childhood alone. In fact, I'm scared if you make Ice Age stomach roll. Like, I'm scared of doing if you do it. So please report this man-child. This fetish, this power. But I can handle your opinion or respect your opinion on this user. And a rant. Also, Merry Christmas, y'all. Please don't add me to the naughty list. I'm a nice ranter. I'm a UTTP.